day to everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about date and time in PHP. In PHP, there are several built-in functions available for date and time. So we'll see one by one. So first, it's a date function. It takes two parameters and one is optional, that is Unix timestamp. So I'm just printing using echo date. These are the formatting. So it will give 5th July 2024, the date which I ran the program that time. It's a 5th July 2024. So what does it J means? J gives, these are all the month parameters from actually days of month, single digit 1 to 31 in single digit. So 5, it's a single digit, and a capital S is for suffix of th. If it is 3 means third, say 2 means second, like that suffix will come. F, the full month July, year 2024, full year will come. So these are all the basic available formats. Small d means that month days are represented in double digits, 0, 1 to 31. Small j means 1 to 31 in a single day. Yes, already we have seen that suffix first, second, third and fifth, like that suffix will come. So for month, capital F, full month name will be mentioned. This small m, 0, 1 to 12 months. So 2 digits it will come. This capital M, 3 digits, that is January, Feb, MER mark, like that will come. Small n, single digit. Year, capital year, full year will come. Small y, 2 digits of, last 2 digits of that year. Week, capital D means that Monday, 3 letters will come. Capital I means full letters will come Monday. Capital N, it means first day. It's actually 0 to 6, so first day. This is small letter. Small w means that 0 to 6 weekdays it will mention. So using that, I have created one program in PHP. So date, small d, obviously it's a 2 digit, so 05 will come. Small j means single digit, with suffix I am printing 5th, it is coming. So capital F means the full month name will come. Small m, 07, month in double digits. Capital M, 3 letters, that is JUL. Small n, month is 7, 7th month in a single digits. This will give double digit, here it is single digit. Y is full year, it is printing. Small y, last 2 digits, 24 it is printing. So like that, using the date function, full date, small d, small m and a capital Y, that means 5/7/2024. In between I am using that slash, so it's printing like that 5/7/2024. In another format, capital Y, capital M and small d. So 2024, JUL 3 letters and 5. So capital D is weekday in a 3 letters word. Friday means FRI. This L means Friday, full letters it will print Friday. Capital N, weekday is 5. Friday it's a 5, so it's calculating from 0 to 6, 7 days. So like that. Small w, 5, single digit will print. Small z, this day is 186th day of in the year, that is in a Gregorian calendar. July 5th is the 186th day of the year. Small t, this month contains 31 days, or February means 27 days, 28 days, 29 days, like that. This month contains 30 days, 31 days, it will print. So small t, whatever the month we are taking, that month, whether it contains 30 days or 31 days, it will print. Similarly, in time format, we use date, hours this small h double digit of 12 hours format. Capital H double digit of 24 hours format, 00 to 23. So small z 1 to 12 hours format in a single digit. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 single digit will come. Capital Z 0 to 23 in a single digit format. So minutes I means 0 to 59 format it will come. Small s 0 to 59 for seconds. Similarly for meridian, small a AM or PM it will mention in a small letter. Capital A means capital AM or PM it will mention. So for this also one example, small h means 06. Similarly it's an 24-hour format means 12 plus 6 18. So similarly G means 18, I minutes, S for seconds, capital A for AM or PM it's a 6 18, so it's a PM. So time is 6:30 41. Full format means small h minutes and seconds, and after that AM or PM meridian. So small a I have used. So time and date, if I want to print full time and date, this is the format, and I can set the time zone. Normally we live in India, so time zone is ASEAN Kolkata time, so we can set the time like default time zone set Asia Kolkata. So time and date for after setting that ASEAN Kolkata 7/7/2004 10:41. So here before time zone it's 6:30. Now it's after ASEAN time zone it's a 10:41 PM. So the get date function returns date time information of timestamp or current local time. So I am using that get date function and I am just printing that in a array format. So array format means 47 seconds, 50 minutes, 22 hours. This is the 188th day of the year. It was a Sunday. So all those things, details will be printed in a array format. Similarly, check date function is used to check whether the given date is valid or not. For example, here I have given 2/29/2008. It's a leap year, so it's a valid date. Whereas 2/29/2007, it is not a valid date, so it gives false. So by using this check date function, we can confirm whether the given date is true or valid or not. So these are some of the examples of the time formatting samples. Small t we have already seen the total number of days in a month. The range is from 28 to 31. If it is a leap year 29 or else 28 to 31 days. This month contains how many days it will print. Similarly, capital U, total number of seconds from January 1, 1970. So total number of seconds taken. So that is that Unix timestamp for this date. Similarly, small w, it's a day of the week in a single digit. The range is from 0 to 6. Small z, day of the year, the range is 0 to 365. So date diff function we can use to calculate the different dates. What are all the difference between two dates? So for anyone want to calculate the age of that person, he has to enter his date of birth here and what is today's date, and the difference between these two will tell you his or her age. So using date difference we can calculate the date difference. So these are all the some of the date and time functions in PHP. Check date validates a Gregorian date, like that date add days, months, years. Date create, it will create returns a new date time objects. Date sets a new date. Date difference already we have seen, returns the difference between two dates. Date format according to specified format. Date interval format formats the intervals. Get date returns the date time information of your timestamp or current local date time. IDate formats a local time as or date as an integer. Local time returns the local time, and the micro time returns the current Unix timestamp, that is since January 1, 1970, how many times elapsed. MK time returns the Unix timestamp for a date. String F time formats str of time, formats a local time and or date according to local settings, whatever the PC settings it will give. strp time pass a time or date generated with a str of time. So whatever the format it will give, it pass the time. str to time pass an English textual date time into Unix timestamp. It will print in a Unix timestamp print. So that's all about date and time in PHP. Thank you.